things are shaping up. Your final thoughts on this topic, please?
My final thoughts, and it's not surprising, I suppose, going back to the very first poll question where we saw that not a lot of people who were here today were using these integrated systems yet. And I don't find that surprising at all because like up until now, you had a bunch of tools that did this really well and it did this really well. And then but what you've seen is the industry moving towards just doing one thing very well, doing two things very well. And now they're doing three, four things very well, and they're coordinating them all together so that it really is like a workflow. These are not really just one-off tools to do a certain task. They are platforms. They are where you can reside. You can go to these. And I think it's exciting for the future. And I think, like, obviously, if you haven't started using AI at all yet, you've got to rip that Band-Aid off and start doing it. Because now with these newer platforms or however integrated systems, however you want to conceptualize them, and in my mind, there's the same thing. It's going to be doing more and more for you, and you can leverage it for more and more tasks. And the information from one task can bleed right over into the next task and so on and so forth. And if you haven't even started yet with trying to get good at prompting, you got to get off the bench and at least start. And because others are doing it and others will do it. And we know for sure that what we see is that board of directors at corporations, management committees at firms, they all see the promise in AI and they're pushing their people to use it more and more. So there's a lot of folks out there already doing this. And if you're not doing it, you are probably already at a competitive disadvantage. And it's just going to get worse from there. When I use AI myself, I see it gets better and better. The more you use it, it gets to know you, it gets to know what you want, and you get to know better about how to use it and how to ask it for stuff. This is an exciting time, I think. And I think hopefully we've also, my last thought is, hopefully we've also put away this idea that AI is going to replace you. It's not going to replace you. It is going to make you much better. It's going to make you at times feel like you have superpowers, things that would have been so daunting you couldn't really even start that task. Now you can do it relatively quickly if you know what you're doing.